as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the FOMO trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Yeah. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. And patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Money moves, they all this shit feel from home. I can get cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. 3 hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning and way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. The minutes tick by, every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me?
While the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds. Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me.
Good afternoon, guys. Man, I still don't see that coming across the chat. I've got more stuff to do. It's coming across my OBS now, so I just got something else to do, I guess. I don't know what I've done wrong. I'll get it after stream. Sorry, guys. How is everybody? Oh my gosh, I don't get it, honestly. I had to reset all the settings is the problem, and I just don't remember it all. So, hey, how's it going?
Yeah, you're sounding good on Discord.
Beautiful, beautiful. Glad everything sounded good in the chat. is all coming up on OBS now, so I've got that done, but I did something wrong with the extension apparently. I have to remove the other extension, and once I removed it and put on the new one, well, now I've got to reset all the settings, and I just don't remember what they are. So, either way, I'll have it by tomorrow morning, guys. The chat is coming across at least on the OBS, so that's good. Still not 100% sure. Yeah, it's still not coming through on Rumble unless I pull it up. I don't know why that is either, but I guess it's just one of those things. I do not get it.
I'm on a long on Nasdaq and I'm on a long on gold.
Long on both of them? Well, that works, I guess. Yeah, they go through that way.
Yeah. The 1 hour is having an absolute spastic attack. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's breaking the 0.5. Come on.
There's the push up. Let's see what we do here. Sorry, trying to mess with settings as well. Have a gold up. Let's see what's going on. This is that spot that we were talking about for gold. It came down, swept that area that we talked about this morning, guys. So hopefully, hopefully everybody. I didn't get to catch it, so I was not paying no attention. Not gonna lie. So I did not catch it. It is what it is. What are you gonna do?
It moved too fast, reality. I couldn't see an entry, even in hindsight. Do you see anything in hindsight that would have allowed you
really
to?
Yeah, the only thing I could tell you possibly is your no bottom wick candle here, but I mean, still, you got 2 no bottom wick candles. I don't know how you would have done it. You know, the thing that I did see during is it came down, it tested this wick and it stopped there. So if you go down to a lower time frame, possibly. Yeah. No, you still don't got a bottom wick. So, I mean, a top wick. So right here would have been your entry if you had a top wick here if you were trading off the 15. See what I'm saying? Because you tested this wick just like we talked about. I saw it do it on the 30-minute candle, but then I got something else. I was like, okay, put a wick on. All right, we're going to wait for the next candle to close, open, top wick, and flip. And by the time that happened and I got back to it, it was already gone. So, no, you wouldn't have been able to take it off the 30 for sure. Possibly off the 15. You could have took it. But I find those entries a lot more risky. You guys know that, sadly. So, at least everything's coming across, so I can see it on OBS. That makes it easier. I do want you guys to be able to see it on the chat, though. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Something I've got set wrong. Not sure what, but something is still set wrong. See how much she can jump around here.
Oh, this is madness. Oh, that's me out. Oh. Wow.
Hope you're doing good, Paul.
Yeah, I'm doing grand. It's I should have took profit at the 0.5, but there's no big money involved, and I know what I'm risking here, so I'm waiting on the gold now. Hopefully, it'll continue to run. It made a bit of a retracement back there on itself. What do you think of the 1 hour on the gold now?
Yeah, I mean, it just cleaned out both sides of this candle, essentially. So we've got no wick at the bottom here, though. That is interesting. We got no wick up here. I mean, there is a wick. I should say no wick. People get confused when I say that. Not much of a wick, guys. Let's put it that way, right? Not much of a wick. But we had not much of a wick on each side of this candle, and it said, okay, I'll put a wick on both sides for you then.
That's the second of those massive 15-minute candles we've seen today that has done that entire range sweep thing.
Yeah. Discussing trading from you earlier. Well, Werner, It happened, sadly.
Mm.
Do I have an FOMC Day song? No. No, I don't have one. Borneo. Good afternoon, by the way. I don't have one. I guess I need to. 1:54 a.m. there. Jeez. It's late, man. A lot of you guys are late. That's the only disadvantage, right? Super late for you guys. Unfortunately, I hate that. But
So here's my morning lesson.
2:30 should be our big moves here, but we'll have to wait and see. I mean, obviously we moved a bit here, don't get me wrong, but not an absolute ton. Just kind of banging around.
Yeah, it scared me out of my gold long, so I closed it with a couple of bucks in profit.
Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at
Something else that I don't have. I'm just not 100% sure what it is that I have not done correctly, but it is something. All right, Werner. See you in a minute.
haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line.
Current OBS details on enabling.
Same way I read
Current OBS screening corner.
coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen.
Exactly what that means.
Then something mean. Used to play it fast.
Viewer count per source.
Now wait for confirmation. That's the truth. Got a system. Got a plan. I'm trading like a rookie. Understand. Numbers dancing. Let's stay cool. Cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red. Gotta keep a level head.
I don't see that that did anything either.
Let it flow.
Hmm.
This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's the only way we move from here.
Actually, you know what? I think I may know what that is now that I'm thinking about it. Not chat select, it's chat. That's the problem. Okay, let me fix this real quick. I think I know how to fix it now. Yes, thank you. Jeez. All right, fixed now, guys. Sorry.
Morning light creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like
All right. There we go. Chat is fixed. Oh my gosh.
lines that move like waves.
Yeah, beautiful. Mighty.
Every morning's guiding
Cannot believe it. Yeah, thank you, bro. Finally. What a disaster. The problem is when I originally set this up. Hi, Benz. Good afternoon, man. How are you? When I originally set this thing up, I just don't remember everything from then is the problem. So now we've got it. Thank you. Jeez. That was disastrous. Now it's good. The only thing that I can't understand is still Rumble. You got to pull the Rumble thing up. That's the only thing I don't like, but it is what it is. Bluefin, yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon, Bluefin. How are you today?
every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I love these mornings by myself.
Let's see if the rest of this will play out like we were hoping for, Paul. What is the hopes and dreams? First part of our equation
Yeah, it
worked.
scared me out.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Filter through the static. Find the
Listen to me adding wicks to candles. Beautiful. Yeah, yeah. That's what we do.
let it all unfold.
Yep.
In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I seek. Patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear.
Sonny, are you? I haven't looked at the Discord. Hold on. Is he in the Discord? No, he's not here. Sonny said he's waiting for the dump. He wants to know what they're waiting for. So,
My window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane.
right to the London High and take off. Yep.
Same position, same station.
Almost to the dollar reality. It's truly amazing. When you
Yeah.
think about it, everybody would have been longing off the London high. So that's the best place to clean them all out. Makes sense. Just keep listening to you. It'll all slowly come together.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Session is just amazing though.
Sonny's looking for that dump too, so we'll see if it comes in or not. I mean, we got a big candle for a 0.5. Somebody came in. 23.6.
Problem is, Sonny, corrections that there's going to be a rate drop. So will that affect the power of the dollar? Will that drive it up or drive it down?
Yeah, I don't know. I know that Right now, it looks like it's rolling over, but that doesn't mean anything. 230, it could go up, I guess. We kind of got a double top on the dollar. I know I hate to say stuff like that. We kind of got a double top with all these red candles coming in, but we never did hit that 99.58.9, and I don't know what that line is on my chart for, but it wouldn't surprise me if it doesn't sweep that and then come down if it's going to come down, right? I don't know.
Yeah, second.
What I missed, I literally just got out of there, dude. I fixed that shit so fast just to make it here on time.
You didn't miss much. Not a lot's happened yet. Not a lot. You're all right.
Good. Dude, it is freaking 94 degrees, dude. You can't do anything at all.
Lucky bugger.
Yeah, it's hot here too.
Rub it on.
So let's see. Oh, so they pushed the price up after.
You want it hot?
Clock.
I don't think you'd like it this hot, Paul. It's pretty dang hot. We've got heat index right now of 109 degrees Fahrenheit.
What's that in my terms?
I don't know, a lot, because every time I tell you that it's in the 90s, you say, man, it's hot, and it's over 90 now. It's 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me see what it says. I'll look it up. Or 109 degrees Fahrenheit right now is heat index.
Okay, I give you that.
It says 42.777778 Celsius. So I don't know. Maybe you like it that hot. I don't think so.
No,
That's like 148 or some shit, isn't it?
no, that's too much.
Yeah, we're having record heat right now. This in recorded history, this area has never seen 100-degree weather, triple digits like this, and we're in extreme heat. They've got extreme heat warnings out and everything. It's super hot. You don't want it this hot, Paul. You don't want it this hot.
Unless it is a female chick and she's hot.
Yeah, or you're trying to cook tacos and you don't have no electricity, so you got to do it outside with a solar oven.
I need a grill. Just use the hood of the car. Fuck it. It's so hot out that when you like, I'm sitting in a parking lot and all the shady spots are all taken.
Yeah. Does not surprise me any. It is hot. That's all I know. It is hot. My mouse is bugging out. Do not know what all these mode buttons are on it. I keep pushing them and it keeps getting worse.
Your mouse?
Yeah. Yeah, somehow I messed it up earlier. I mean, I messed it up I messed it up a lot, but it's blinking. Why did it blink like that? Does that make it work better? Maybe it works better now. All right, maybe that's good. There's like mode buttons on the top of it, and I don't know.
Is it like the one that the mouse that has like 12 different buttons on it?
Well, no, it's not that much, but it's got like your roller in the middle, two, your left and right, and then it's got a mode button in the middle, and then it's got like a back button and a forward button over where your thumb is. So it's got a few buttons, but not like a crazy amount. No. It's not real expensive. It's just a cheaper mouse. But, 'cause I know some of them guys got like gaming mouses that are like $150 mouse. It's like, why would somebody spend that kind of money on a mouse, man? I don't know. I don't game, so I guess that's why. All I'm doing is hitting the green button or hitting the red button. That's all.
Look how old my technology is, reality. I still have.
Oh, you're plugged in. Wow.
It actually plugs in. Yeah. How's that for retro?
Yeah, you're not kidding. Jeez. I've got cordless, but That was
All
not
that
a... Why weren't we paying attention to that flip? That was a good flip. Gosh dang it.
What are we looking at?
That was a decent flip there. I don't know what happened prior to, though. Was there a reason we didn't watch that? No, not really, I guess. We just weren't paying no attention. It was sideways prior to, though. This is still sideways range. We're all right.
45 tick stop loss.
Yeah, and we could have took it. If I remember correctly, we had a bottom wick already too. We already had a bottom wick and a top wick, so there was nothing we missed. I'm just trying to find things that we missed that we don't really miss. That's all.
We're literally within the ranges that we had drawn up earlier on. For anybody that's on Discord, check the chat. These are the ranges. It's actually literally bouncing perfectly within them. So you just have to wait now, see what we can do.
Yep. Hopefully 230 will get her moving.
Hopefully.
And he might be late too, so don't expect something exactly at 2:30. That doesn't always happen. A lot of times he doesn't start speaking until 10, 15 minutes later, sadly. I don't know why he takes so long, but he seems to.
Because he's about to walk in and he's like, shit, I'm craving. Somebody, hurry. You know what he was ordering?
Tacos.
My man.
Welcome back, Warner.
They said, hurry up, the Taco Bell's open. I could definitely see him eating Taco Bell. What do you think? You think he always goes to steak? I can't have tacos today because we used a taco meat on pasta last night.
It's when he's in a bad mood and messes everything up. It's when he can't have tacos. Like one time Taco Bell was closed down. Is that what you're saying? And then it was just like, oh, I'm gone.
Yeah, even the momentum is like in the middle. Like for gold, it's in the middle of anything.
Live feed.
Live feed. Everybody wants to watch it on whenever he started talking.
Yeah.
Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot.
I think we're gonna see momentum on Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq is.
We're going ahead naked. Nasdaq's what?
Oh, hold on. Let me turn this thing down. I think Nasdaq is gonna pop, and I don't know, bro. They both look like they could be primed for popping.
On the 4 hour, very, very, very much so, especially on the Nasdaq. It is looking like it wants to make a massive fucking jump. There's a massive big wick down, cleaned everybody down as far as London High, cleaned out all the range that we were working within the day, touched yesterday's VWAP. So yeah, all conditions are set. But again, it depends now what way the news goes down and whether the Dixie, I think, is going to go up or down. She's holding tight on 98.9. She hit 99 earlier on. So it's no one. Welcome back, Warner.
Unless they're targeting the weekly VWAP, that would take out the today's daily low. The VWAP is sitting at like 33.40. The weekly. And then on the 15, line that up with the 15-minute on gold. It looks bearish. But then when you look above, everything, what's that? On the 15-minute, 1, 2, 3 candles are all red where the market maker stepped in.
Yeah.
If we drop below the previous wick, we're into the gap. We're digging into the gap.
Yeah.
Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing, patterns keep on moving. That's the way we'll go. That's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brain waves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. Every move calculated and bold. Building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes.
There's the NQ pushing now again to the 0.5 of that big red candle to the left. It got rejected off there the last time.
Yeah.
I've been stopped out twice or 3 times now trying to get past that fucking thing.
Long or short?
I've been longing like fuck man, but it's been it keeps taking me out. It'll get up because once we get out of the range that we had at the top of the VWAP, I kept trying to long it, but the motherfucker kept coming back down again. And that last candle that I was on was doing really well, and then it just dropped right down to London high, took out me and everybody else. And of course now that's the fuel to drive it on upwards.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not on it.
I'm gonna try to close up this call here real quick before all that shit started moving.
Good bar.
First time I saw you trade, raw talent unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch your way,
You see the dollar right now?
No.
Yeah.
It looks like something I would buy.
Yeah. Our whole top was reality says.
Be worrisome.
Yeah. She is not going to move back up on the 30, but she left behind. How does the wickless work on the DXY reality? Is it the same concept with every other price action that we do?
I don't know. You see a lot of wickless candles on Dixie, so I don't know. A lot of them don't have wicks on them, so it's just a little different. But I never saw her touch that 99.589. I really thought she'd touch that, so I just wonder if she goes and sweeps that high quick and then comes back down, but I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and see. He hadn't talked yet. It's 31 after. We'll see what conspires here. Gold's coming down with no top wick. There was no bottom wick on this candle, so you expect a bottom wick. I am not getting involved right this second because the hour actually looks really good to put a bottom wick on this candle. So, but if you were just looking at the 30, that's why you always want to look at all this. You know, we would assume at this point that this is your move. Now, to what degree does she continue down? Or does she come back up after sweeping? You know, that's what we're looking to see, but currently you expect a wick to be put on this candle, but it's just tough. It is just tough right now. What do you got there?
Oh, there's that gold for Nasdaq, bro.
Yeah, it was only
beautiful. Very nice, very nice. I'm surprised that Nasdaq's moving so much without Dixie doing anything. But it is. For 30-minute, you've got no bottom wick. You expect the top wick to come in now that you put on a bottom wick, but that's so hard with the hour looking like we're going to fill the wick here.
We could still potentially see some support at 344.4, and then they could flip it.
The inside 15 break for a few on NQ. Very nice, Warner. Beautiful, beautiful.
Good job, Warner.
He stopped out.
Oh, there's fucking gold, dude. There's a drop on gold.
Yeah, it looks like it's on the bottom first.
Right there comes Dixie.
It might be looking for that support, so be careful. Yup. Look at it. Look at how fast that wick is moving, Jiggy.
I seen it. I just seen it shoot right back up. Let me see. I'm trying to watch Dixie and gold at the same time.
Nasdaq look bullish as fuck.
Yep.
Dude, I might just jump on this long on gold here, but I don't know. I don't like it though. I gotta win so I can get more tacos.
Q is always going bonkers.
Nasdaq looks super bullish, bro.
Candles on crack. Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I might just take this quick long on gold here.
Very seeing the long.
Nasdaq, no, don't leave me. I'm waiting to see how on a 5 minute.
Going long.
Yeah.
Uh,
Damn, dude, I missed the Nasdaq. I'm kind of a little annoyed right now.
oh my god.
So
I
I'm
stopped
thinking we're
with it.
probably gonna be targeting like 260, 620. I mean, you got stopped out.
I got stopped out before it ran. I was stopped out on profit because it was away a couple of dollars. Now it's running like a mofo. Story of our lives this whole week, Lakin.
I know, right? Every time I look away, dude. Shit.
Yep. We've had what day is today?
Wednesday.
Tuesday.
Reversal Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
He just took over the bat out of hell. Yep,
There's
that's why you don't
gold.
enter the long.
Yeah.
Well, speaking now, guys.
Oh, there's Nasdaq too. They're both dumping.
Traded the news.
Is that candle? Is that wick? Did we get it? Close.
What did we say? It might find
Yep.
support
We'll take
around
it.
44.1.
There's the wick. All right.
What are we taking?
We're not taking anything. I'll take the wick though. That's a fine wick. I feel good about that now. Feel much better. Now we can go up if we need to. Not saying we will yet, but if we need to, we can.
I might just play a little safe here and just go with one micro. It reminds me of like Stacy.
Yes. Yes, Werner it was.
Is he chatting on YouTube?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, okay, that's what it is. Who are you talking to? You don't think Nasdaq would go back down to the daily VWAP, would you?
Good.
I'm about to short this bitch, dude. I'm shorting it, selling one.
Good luck, man.
Whoops.
Oops. Did you say oops?
Yeah, I think I just realized that I just entered on NQ instead of MNQ, but it's okay because I think it's gonna profit.
It
Come
looks
on,
like
baby.
it's going good. You should. Hopefully, you'll get the 0.5 of that wick there. You should at least get the 0.5 of that wick, I think. Close.
Shit. Fuck. Yep, that was my opportunity to get out, and I didn't take it.
Yeah. You're gonna go get the 0.5 of that wick. Don't worry. Don't be worried. You got this. Back down.
What the
Come back
fuck
down.
is this? Oh,
You're right. She's coming to 20 on 526.75 is what she's about to tap her right now. The 0.5 of that wick. Bang, tapped.
fucking A with this shit.
Beautiful.
No, this fucking. Damn it!
Did you get out or no?
I entered, but the fucking thing was 10 ticks, so of course I got kicked out. Dude, what the fuck is it with this shit?
Hey, G-Fluck. So
Yo,
much
I'm
relief after the whip
fucking losing
cleanse.
so much fucking tick, bro. What the fuck is up with this shit? This is why I hate having fucking protection, because when you can't stop the ship from fucking.
I don't know what happened, man.
Because when I enter, it automatically creates a take profit of 10 ticks, but also my stop loss is 10 ticks, and I can't move it fast enough, so I'm getting kicked out
yeah.
immediately. I'm like,
Yeah, 10 ticks ain't
fucking-
enough for NQ.
and now I'm gonna fucking miss the whole. God damn it! I missed the whole fucking thing, dude. Well, that just cost me $300. That whole fucking 2 mistakes back to back.
No, that's not good, man. I hate to hear that. Maybe the top of that range and tap the wick recovery there. There's gold.
There we go. Just made it back. Just made it back, boys.
Good
Woo!
job. Good job. Good job. See how this close comes. This may be all right. Maybe
I
all
still
right.
think they're coming up with daily VWAP. There's still room for that daily VWAP. But I'm out, so I'm not looking at it anymore. I literally, like, my target, it just hit it too. My target was 515.75.
Yeah.
Came back down to the London high again.
Again?
The last candle before to this massive sweep down. That's the one that I was in on the long, thinking that we'd moved out of the range. And I came back down and just went $1 or $2 past London high. That candle there has just swept a total of 300 ticks.
Very nice.
Everybody.
Very nice. Very nice. Well,
right or
no.
wrong side in that trade.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Long or short, you were screwed.
Here comes that tap on Dixie we were talking about to sweep those highs. Almost there. Few more ticks. Well, that's kind of what we were thinking when we came in. You got the double top, and then she came down. Come back up, sweep the highs. Should be pretty decent here. Tap that 589. Let's go 4-hour flip on XAU. Was it the flip also on BC or no? Yeah, no, that was way up here. Okay. Yeah.
I told you, they went for it. Gold went straight for the weekly VWAP, remember? Which also lined up with the daily low. So it was they didn't need that many ticks to get to the weekly VWAP just below the previous wick. And they literally came to the tick of it. I'm not even fucking around.
Yeah.
340.9.
Yeah. The precision is frustrating.
It's frustrating. It's more frustrating when you're off by like 0.1, dude. And it flips so hard. That's the worst.
Yeah. Yeah, Warner, you're right. It's different times on You're right. It is different times for the 4-hour. I forgot about that. You're right. 4-hour starts at a different time on SAU than GC. Let's see how this candle closes, guys. I'm so glad the chat's working again. That was a disaster.
You guys ever seen? This is so stupid. Never mind. Nasdaq still looking bullish.
Well, Paul, Dixie did exactly what we wanted her to, but gold didn't really give an opportunity there, sadly.
Yeah.
Worked like it was supposed to, though. Dixie did exactly what she was supposed to. Gold did exactly the opposite, like she was supposed to, but...
Yeah.
It was rough because it looked too good to be true.
So if we were to get a nice wick on this candle, and then we get a wick up and a flip down, that'd be a potential entry.
Yeah, it wouldn't be too bad. Honestly, because if you look at the hour, that would not be bad. What's it look like left? Yeah. Put an area in here, because... Yeah. There's a wickless candle right here. I guess we already knew that, maybe?
Yep. I have a...
Yeah, that was the one that we filled. Yeah, that was the one we filled. So there's that.
Okay.
So the little range that we're going to be in essentially for there is going to be like right here. Right there. So, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, getting down below that'll be nice. And here we look at that weekly open we were talking about too.
Yeah. Yeah, the 4 hour definitely looks like it's got more momentum to the downside.
Yep. Yeah, and that 0.5 of this wick right here, like we looked at earlier, is the weekly open. So if you measure this wick on the 4 hour, no, it's not. It's not that one. It's the hour candle, I think. I think it's the hour candle.
I just entered a short.
Yeah, if you measure that hour candle, good luck with it, Aiken. Good luck, good luck. It's the 0.5 of the weekly open there. Isn't super
And my
bad
target
either.
is the target is the daily VWAP.
Okay. I must have. What are you doing, Aiken?
I took a short on that MNQ and just to the daily VWAP sitting at 509.25. That's what my target is, and it's so close to it.
Nice one.
It's playing with me though. I don't like it.
How long have we left? We have another 10 minutes left now for the hour to close on everything. If there's anything we can do, because I'm sitting here watching this 1 hour run. Next target should be 3337. It's one of the market structures I've drawn up. So we'll see what happens down here.
Yeah.
They're digging into the gap now.
Wow.
Man, what a move down.
Come on. There it is. I'm out.
Good job.
Well
Aiken.
done.
Oh, that netted me a good 250. Woo!
Happy days. Love to hear it.
What's their next logical target? Let's look.
Again, I want to wait until at least the hour full so you get an idea, because the NQ is dropping like. Oh, wonder what the hell's the pound saying it's causing all this.
So we just reached the first support.
He's saying
Buckle that
something
support
that everybody likes for the dollar because the dollar's pumping.
So then my bank account should be rising. What the fuck is going on? It's crazy because usually when they create such a big gap, I don't usually see it get recovered right away. Like they'll recover half of it and then fuck off and come back. Yeah, this one, like they've almost recovered like 80% of it.
I know.
Why did some trucks make that whistling noise when they like step on the gas?
Diesel.
But why does it do that?
It's the turbos.
Oh, that shit's loud. That guy's all the way over there, and I can hear it from back here.
Yeah, my truck does that. It's tuned and it makes that noise. But my diesel truck, I got a Duramax diesel that I had tuned and had work done too when I had issues with the DEF system, and it does that. It whistles. So did I had a 600 plus horsepower Subaru WRX STI too that I had built, and it would really do it because it had a blow off valve. So when you went, it'd build up boost, and then when you let off the gas, it'd make the big blow off valve sound. So that's the turbos too.
The last car I had a turbo in it, I missed it. It was a 2017 Honda Civic.
Yeah.
I missed it. Now I'm driving a CRV. What happened?
That NQ short, man, if you'd have said then you've been printing fucking money now at the stage, it's dropping like mad.
Yeah. It's right now for me, it's showing support just like the previous wicks. If you look to the left on the 15 minute, you see all those wicks. So that wick it just created is just another wick in the same range.
It's also previous all-time high as well.
Oh, okay, yeah. The weekly high, yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, somebody's at the door. Sick.
You can see what the volume profile is. You don't think they would attack 23,437 again, would you? Because that's the last major volume spike. I'd have to see it break below like 470, 470 to even think about them targeting 430, 439, 437. It looks like gold dropped just to the top of that wick. That whole drop was just to get to the wick.
Man. ES looks even worse. Holy. Jeez.
Oh, she dropping, bro. She might be targeting that 437, 439.
ES dropped way out of range. She is falling apart. NQ hadn't even hit the... It's just now hitting bottom of range.
Yeah.
ES and Dow are gone. I mean, you need... Where's Man of the Woods at? Man of the Woods, where are the buckets? You need some buckets. Put some buckets in, because these things are dying. RIP 401ks right now. Oh my jeez.
What did we get down to? 430, 446. Wow.
Sonny should be doing well. I think he was in the short.
Jiggy, why'd you get quiet, bro? Don't do this to us.
And there's a wild racket of the dogs, so I had to go check. I'm already out of everything, so I'm sitting here as a relatively frustrated observer.
There it is. They might be targeting at 439. That's the last time they did any type of volume.
Look at ES.
Literally.
Oh my gosh. ES and Dow are falling apart. Way worse than NQ. So where you at? He's
They
probably in
touched
a
it,
different time zone
437.
too. Gosh almighty.
So that means that then we should continue going on down then, following the ES.
That's what that's what Sol talks about. Yeah, I don't quite, get the complete gist of it, but I mean, you could see the range that ES was in, and then see the range that Dow was in, and then see the range that NQ was in. We just tapped the bottom of the range, but ES and Dow are just dying. I mean, I don't know. Like I said, I hate to tell you exactly how he looks at it, because sometimes he'll say that one of them's lying. So
That's right.
I don't know. I don't know, but it is interesting. It is interesting now that I keep all these charts up at the same time so I can see all the differences in them. It's interesting to see.
Looking, isn't MES sending us Nasdaq?
No. I mean, they move the same because they're all indexes for the most part, but MES is, the, SPX or SPY or however you want. It's the S&P 500, right? To where NASDAQ is the US 100 tech companies.
Oh.
Dow's the US 30. Right? Is it US 30 or is it just, I don't know. Dow Jones is the 30. I think it may even be just Dow 30 or something. I don't know.
Second point or support. If they break below 416, I would be surprised at targeting 416. Oh, talking about it, they targeted 416. There it is.
I'm
Gone.
already on.
She's gone. Good luck, Paul. She's falling.
Yeah.
Target may be 382. There's a reason for them to come back to 372 and 392. And there is a reason for them to go down that low. So I will not be surprised if they push it down to those. And I think she will.
There's a VWAP at 353 as well. That's what I'm looking for.
Which would also go with the theme of what I just said, because there's a reason for them to come down here, because this is where the market maker stepped in days ago. 1, 2, 3 days. There it is. Look, 353 Jiggy.
I'm gonna add in another 5 micros just for the track.
Yeah, the woods. Where are you at? We need the buckets. Where are the buckets at? I gotta pull in my stream. These ES and Dow's all the way off the screen. Jeez.
Oh shit! I just realized MES just reached 50% of the previous week. So I wonder if MNQ is going to be doing the same thing, and that would be at 294. Interesting.
Wow. What's gold at? All on the way down. Wow.
Yeah, she is.
Don't slow down everything, for God's sake. Give us a chance here.
Oh, dude, I think they're targeting the previous week low, which would also be the weekly open. I think they're taking all that shit back, homie.
Weekly open, we called on gold earlier the day. It seems like the weekly opens always get hit by the end of the week. I like to see it on Friday, but only because you kind of expect it on Friday. It's all right that it taps the day before, but you know what I'm saying. It kind of makes it tough because there was no way to get in.
Right.
And it may make for a boring Friday too. Sadly, it's the other disadvantage. Sonny said he's taking.
Go ahead, sorry, reality.
No, you're fine. Sonny said he's taking profits here, so just in case anybody is, yeah, he's taking some profits. So he's DMing me as well. Just wanted everybody to keep up with what he had going on, because I know that he talked about this dump as well. But go ahead, Paul. I didn't mean to cut you off either.
Not at all. I was just saying to Aiken, there is a VWAP down there on the gold for this Monday. So the next area will be 322. What do you see down around that area?
322. That would match up with the weekly open and the previous weekly low. So that it could be a target, yeah. It's literally at 322.8. 0.8.9.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Just wanted to see what you have down there as well.
Which would also be the recovery of everything, pretty much, for the gap.
Yep.
Interesting candle here.
Yeah, it's almost like they're like, what do we do next, guys?
Well, we all know what happens normally when we get a wickless candle. And did that wick down first, reality?
Yep. It wicked down. It wicked up a little bit, then wicked down. I'm not going to take it here, but if we can keep that, we got an hour 55 here. If we can keep that candle printing kind of like this, and then we get the next one with the wick down, I will take the flip of it. I mean, back up at probably the break of the high of this candle. So saying that this candle just stays like this, something like this. So saying this candle stays, prints doji, and then we get a wick down, I'll take the break of that high back up. Not saying it'll happen, but because that'll give us a range in here. Essentially, you know, we're hoping that it plays around in this area. So essentially we'll have a range like this on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, this candle will look like this, right? And then we'll wait for the next candle to come in, open up, give us a down wick, come down, and then break those stops coming up from all the shorts that are trying to short back down. Not saying it'll happen.
I like it.
Me too. And Q still on the way down.
Yeah,
Yeah, do you
353.
do you remember what we
yeah.
set this? No, do you remember what we set this alert for? Oh, I don't. I set an alert here, and I remember setting it, but I don't remember what for. We're getting close to it, so that's why I asked you. I don't know why we set it.
For what point?
295. 29.
It's 298. It's 2329875. Well, I think it's 298 flat. It says here. So I don't exactly know why we set an alert there.
That what the alert looks like it lines up with the wick
It does,
and also the
but
previous 50%.
we set it a few days ago because I remember doing it. I just don't remember what in the world we set it for. I guess we'll see if it goes off.
Oh, I have one more thing to fix, but I don't want to fix it. But I should. But I really fucking should. May I just grab something McDonald's quick? Right back. Hold on
Well,
a second.
is there a time that you have to get it done, or you can kind of just chill and wait and do it whenever you feel?
Well, I'm off tomorrow and Friday, so that's why I don't want to.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I see. I see. I don't think I'm going to call the end of days today either, Paul.
Yeah.
Well, the reason I say that is because these are big moves. I don't expect. I mean, you still trade it, and I still may try to trade it. I don't know if I see something, but I bet it doesn't really move just because we move so much now. I bet we don't get a big move like we're used to. I bet you don't get that big push, and I hate to call it and somebody get involved and just not go anywhere. So it's kind of one of those trade at your own risk today because we had such a big move already on NQ. I bet it doesn't really do nothing.
Yeah, I have to say I agree with you, Reality. Plus, two, never worry about what do you call them? Somebody doing the wrong fucking call. That's their problem. We all know the risks that we're taking.
Very true.
Like I said, that's fun. But again, yeah, I agree with you. Reality this evening, I don't expect much from the pump. So yeah, we're beginning to see that pattern.
Yeah. This was a big
I
move.
still enjoy it.
Yeah. I agree. Me too. Me too.
We're going to be doing the drop, consolidation. So this could be the consolidation before one more drop. We just got to wait and see.
Yeah, and that could be. I mean, maybe it gets another drop. I don't know. I mean, if it doesn't move until then, I would kind of agree. I think it's going to move back up and at least test the bottom of that range. Here, pretty, here somewhere here. Maybe not, but it's just my assumption. Because we never really got a test there, but maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just falls apart. Nasdaq does funny things a lot of times.
The ES is trying to recover. So see what happens here.
Yeah.
So ES was the leader today.
Sure seems that way. Yeah. I wonder how Sol really does that. He never really implied about how he did it, but I wonder how he actually really decides what's what.
Which one's which?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun to watch. I agree. There we go. We're coming up to... Could tap that range now like we were talking about. Then we'll see what happens, because when it does, short should come in. Then we'll see what they do with them.
I'm here. I'm just stuffing my face.
I thought you said you were going to McDonald's.
I did. I'm stuffing my face with McDonald's.
I'm just trying to figure out what kind of tacos McDonald's has. I mean, I
knew you were going that. I knew.
I'm very disappointed in you, Aiken. I'm very disappointed right now.
As soon as he asked that question, I knew where he was going with it. Actually, I think the taco. Don't they actually have tacos?
I don't know.
Like really.
I'm not sure. I bet they're not worth eating if they do have tacos. Just saying. I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know about all that. You need like Taco Bell or something. They used to have this place. Well, of course, I think they still have some of them, but great taco place. It was called Taco Tico. Used to have them back in Kansas. They don't have a lot of them, but I think there's a few still here and there. They had good tacos. They had one called a Sancho. It was good. There we go.
Exactly when you break, it's just a matter of time. Your hands are made of paper, mine are titanium. I'll liquidate your ass straight to oblivion. Charts looking bearish, watch me flip that shit. While you're panic selling, I'm accumulating it. This ain't personal, baby, just business sense. But watching you lose, every brings pure suspense.
How far up do you think it's going to get?
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if she breaks the bottom here that she doesn't come up to at least the 0.5 of that box. Well, she could go further, I mean. But 0.5 of that box will be right here with this structure here. That makes sense. That probably... Do we have a 15-minute? No. Maybe 5-minute gap? Yeah, we could say the 5-minute gap to here. And we filled this gap. If we test that, yeah, that's kind of... Yeah. Maybe. I mean... Oh, are you already in it? Let me see. Yeah, you're already long. Okay.
Of course I am.
All right. Yeah, I mean, there should be shorts that start coming in here. That's the only thing, but they definitely could push through them and break that break those shorts out in order to get to that 0.5 for sure. So we'll see. Dixie had no top wick and flip. You know what's interesting though is Dixie's got a bearish candle and moving down, and gold's still moving down as well. Odd there.
My God.
Market Mavericks. Mind the movement. We mastering this money mission, watch and learn.
First time I stepped in, feeling fresh and free. Thinking trading's easy, that ain't meant to be. Paid my tuition through the losses, yes indeed. Till I found my family in the LTW. What you know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission.
Gold is not having it. She is
Learn, trade, win, pure precision.
continuing to fall. Huh.
Precision plotted, properly positioned. Pattern recognition got my mind conditioned. Moving militant with market mathematics. While amateurs panic, we stay systematic. Breaking barriers with calculated actions. Fast-paced phrases, Messi's price reactions. Stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical
All them shorts coming in.
Yep.
It's expected. See
Yeah,
if we're going to survive.
Yep, they expect that push, retrace, and then they expect they can short it back down. And it tapped the range pretty well. Maybe they get it here, but I'd like to see him shook out first, honestly. Not saying it'll happen. That's always where the problem comes in at.
Slow it down, let me break it to your plane. Every loss we take becomes a lesson gained. Patient players prosper through the market pain, while others fold we maintain, remain, retain. Technical precision, timing's everything. Moving with conviction when the bells ring. Market master making major moves. Building better patterns, breaking through. Fast flow matches how the price be running. Always analyzing, never front running. Discord warriors drop the wisdom daily. Learning lessons, living life less lazy. Strategy stacked and system set. Profit protected, no room for regret. This is warfare waged with wisdom wide. Trading trenches, take the winning side. Watch me work a wicked word selection, while my wallet shows the win collection. Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market Mavericks.
Might call it pay, see what happens. I cannot.
That's our vision.
Dogs need out in Illinois. A while long day and they've been neglected all day.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna... Everything's kind of slow. I'm probably gonna jump off here as well. Anybody got any questions, guys?
They may be targeting the weekly open. Cool. They keep ditching at it.
Yeah, see you later, Werner. Hope to see you bright and early tomorrow morning or sometime. I mean, not bright and early, I guess, but for you, but hope to see you sometime tomorrow anyway. Alright, guys. I am going to get off here. I will see everybody tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. And as always, guys, stay consistent out there.
With tacos.
LearnTradeWin. Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check and mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You moved too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, no competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, that's the system. Check, wait, game over. Level up, game over. Learn, trade. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, that messed with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Learn, baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing, but I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend, making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, but I did. Said I should quit trading. Never did. Now look who's calculating all day while they stay hating. Hey. I earn. Learn, trade, win. That's the only way. Learn, trade, win. I'm getting better every day. Learn, trade, win. That's my daily grind. Been patient with it. Now it's my time. Watch and learn. I stay quiet while they loud. Keep it cool in the crowd. Watching charts day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play. Check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Loud money. Started from zero, now I'm up. Studied the game, built it up. Losses taught me what I know. Now I move smart, watch it grow in my zone. Trust on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves, that's how we do it.
Fuck that weak shit. I stay focused while they all quit. Let's go. All day I grind, screen in my face. Numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right, I'm on thrive.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Bring, 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 bring. charts on my screen, mind in the zone, studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical masteries where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family. Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick.
Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears.
Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't cards till they knew my name.
This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.